Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So at first open your WhatsApp, click on to plus option, select your number and you just type a number. Okay, and send. You just send this number and click on this number, then showing it to this option, just click on the first option, chat with this number. Okay, and then showing it to ChatGPT, verify. So you can easily use your ChatGPT from here, like wait few seconds, then you get result. So look here, I'm get this feedback. So that's how you can easily use ChatGPT.